In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can complete the full Aizen Mastery Quest. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to go ahead and make your way over to Hollow Island. So find any teleporter, interact with it, and teleport over there. Once you're here, what you need to go ahead and do is find the manipulator NPC over in this far right corner, interact with them, and that's how you're going to go ahead and start the main quest. You'll need a few requirements first, like a high level, having the correct race. Usually it's Shinigami race, which is extremely hard to get, but then complete the tasks of defeating the hollow enemies, getting the worthiness fragment, and then dealing a certain amount of damage and defeating the boss multiple times as well. You're going to need some other stuff as well, but that's how you can go ahead and do the base quest for it. In order to get the full mastery, what you need to go ahead and do is then make your way over to the teleporter again, interact with it, and this time go to Soul Dominion. From here, as soon as you get here, just go ahead and just go straight to the back, skip over all those NPCs. We are going to have to farm them, but talk to this guy, you'll see all the requirements. This is what you need to get the true manipulator, which is that mastery. I could just recommend farming these guys right here, just because these guys will give you the majority of the materials that you need. That is it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.